Good day everyone, I am LYN Villiardo, and in this video we will talk about the foundation of Euclidean geometry and the axioms and common notions. First is the foundation of Euclidean geometry. Euclid's Elements is a famous geometry book written by the ancient Greek mathematician Euclid. It laid the groundwork for what we now call Euclidean geometry, a system of geometry based on axioms and theorems. Next is the axioms and common notions. The terms common notions and postulates are interchangeable in this context. They are basically fundamental assumptions or accepted truths that form the basis of Euclidean geometry, and these are considered self-evident and are not proven within the system itself. There are 5 common notions which are essentially rules of logic. 1. Things that are equal to the same thing are equal to each other. Example: if A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. 2. If equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. Example: if A equals B and C equals D, then A plus C equals B plus D. 3. If equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. Example: if A equals B and C equals D, then A minus C equals B minus D. 4. Things which coincide with one another equal one another. Example: imagine 2 shapes perfectly overlapping each other, so they must be the same shape. 5. Last one. The whole is greater than the part. This one is pretty straightforward, so the whole is the bigger one and the part is the smaller one. There are 5 postulates as well, and these are more specific to the concepts of points, lines, and circles. 1. To draw a straight line from any point to any other point. This means you can imagine a straight ruler connecting any 2 points. 2. To produce a finite straight line continuously in a straight line. Example: imagine extending a line segment indefinitely in both directions. 3. To describe a circle with any center and radius. In that way, you can use a compass to draw a circle with any size as long as you have a fixed point as the center. 4. That all right angles are equal to one another. Of course, a right angle is a 90-degree angle like a corner, and it doesn't have any measurement but a 90-degree. 5. That if a straight line falling on 2 straight lines makes the interior angles on the same side less than 2 right angles, the 2 straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on that side on which are the angles less than the 2 right angles. So this is a bit more complex, but it basically refers to the concept of parallel lines. If 2 straight lines are parallel, they will never intersect no matter how far you extend them. So this last postulate is also sometimes referred to as the parallel postulate. So these common notions and postulates are the building blocks of Euclidean geometry. By accepting these as true, mathematicians were then able to prove other geometric theorems based on them.